Hello everybody, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make DuckDuckGo as the default search page on Microsoft Edge. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Microsoft Edge web browser, if it's not already open, and go ahead and select the settings and more icon at the top right corner of the browser screen. Just go ahead and left click on that, and then select settings. Select privacy, search, and services. Scroll down. Where it says address bar and search, go ahead and left click on that. And then where it says search engine used in the address bar, you can click inside this drop down and you can set it to DuckDuckGo. And just by doing that, that'll change the search engine in the address bar. And then on startup, you can click on that as well, and then change the default landing page. So if you want to remove whatever your current page is and add a new page, you could add DuckDuckGo.com and just click on that. I'd probably want to make sure it was the correct web page before I saved it though. So I'm just going to search for it, and I'm going to go and just copy the URL up here and then go back over here. So I'm just going to paste in what I just copied from the other tab, click on save, and that's pretty much it, guys. So close out of here and the changes should take effect immediately. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.